even a mosque here.
This is like a heaven. Wow. You can see the mist. Hi. It's getting narrow.
Narrow walkway.
Yeah, it's narrow walking. But the thing is, we are early birds. So, we are early birds. And we are freaking cold. And we are on the top, I think.
That's better. I think that's better to stay here.
We are at the top.
I'm afraid.
Do you remember the last time?
Look, guys, this much we did it at
Yeah.
that time. Only Prabhat, I can't. I can't.
Yeah, you can. It's getting narrow. Come.
This water should be more than this saptha. Let's go. We came early. That was better.
Hi, Irosha.
Hi.
How is your feeling?
I'm afraid.
But you are a brave girl, right?
No comments. I can go, but I'm afraid. I know.
Finally, yeah, guys. So, how is your feeling?
My legs are dancing. I know that. I am afraid. I'm shivering. Oh, I can't. Let's go quickly.
I'm coming behind you. This is the scariest thing we have ever done. Can you go inside?
It's hot.
It is.
Inside it's hot. Crash into the saptha.
Too small.
And I can go inside. No problem. Do you know why I have put my bag on like this?
No.
Then I won't fly away.
Otherwise, you will
I will be down before you.
end up in the bottom.
Yeah. Within seconds I will be down.
Do you recommend to come?
Yeah, I totally recommend someone from here, but don't stay longer on the top because it's windy.
Can you?
Wait until we come. Don't come. I'm happy when I see these kind of stuff. Not the trash, but the room.
I'm stuck.
Come, I can't come and rescue you. You have to come by yourself. Hey, please come.
If you are so fat, don't come.
Don't come up.
Don't come to the
climb.
top.
You can't climb.
You
don't
can't
come.
find a way now.
Way to back.
Go back. Because you are.
Helicopter should come front. Even firefighters can't rescue you.
Yeah.
And now we are in the safest place. Sun has come down finally.
Sun has
The
come,
mist
guys.
is chased.
The
It's running away. Mist is running away.
There is a
Happy soul is here.
there is a happy girl here. There is a happy girl because of the safety.
Yeah, safety.
Safety first.
Last time I was not like this. I was the first person to climb up. You were struggling. Now you have changed.
Now we are going to the bottom.
But we can find.
Here you can see you have to check the climate also with the forecast also. See, it's raining guys and we can't see anything now.
Earlier it was nice. Ambuluwawa is located on an isolated mountain. So, in a sunny day, we can see saptha, kanya, nuckles, hanthana. What else, Prabhat?
bathalegala and
Namunukula.
namunukula. We took hemmathagama Gampolaa bus to reach here.
From the main road, we took a tuk-tuk to reach the tower, and there is about 3.5 kilometers from the main road to tower, and the tuk-tuk costs about 900 rupees.
This place has a panoramic view.
So it has the ability to attract both tourists and locals.
This is the end of our journey today.
If you have visited this place earlier, please share your experience with others by leaving a comment below. Bye guys.